That rod from Jimmy.
Come on, if somebody wants
Don't you let him have that rod. He wouldn't give his rod to nobody earlier, man. Don't you let him have that rod. That's all them laying right on the bottom. I mean, they're right on the bottom. You get one on that other rod?
No.
That one come up and then went back down. There he is, I seen him. He's a whitey.
Yeah, she hit pretty good.
You get first on second place?
He may have first, second place. Now he's getting over there on Russ's rod where Russ can't even get his rod out.
Big spin.
Okay, Russ, walk forward so I can get his picture. Hey, now she's gonna go back to your side of the boat, ain't she? Oh, nice fish, dude. There's nothing wrong with that fish.
That's good.
He's got shoulders.
Yeah.
Slick.
You may have upsized your first one, man.
That's a good.
That's a good fish, dude. Yeah, Jimmy, you upsized, brother.
Oh yeah, baby. I'm gonna
You upsized on that one.
just 15.
That's 16, 17, 15, 16, man.
Yeah.
Unless you're on Louis Bartonfield's boat, then it'd be 25.